Just finished up the install on the 2013 Audi A1. We'll go through a few features with you now. In this vehicle, you have two operations in how to control. We have the radio buttons down below, and we also have the scroller on your steering wheel. So on here, if we go through, you'll see at the moment it's on a split screen. If I scroll across to the right, we've got features such as maps. We can search the destination, we can do all of that through here. Same as we can use the return button down here to return to the previous